Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 4 for the subject of General Science, topic the digestive system, which is covered in chapter 3, the digestive and excretory systems, starting on page number 33 of your textbook, titled Nutrients in Science, Evergreen Publications, and is being submitted to you on 17th of May 2021. Dear students, as you all are aware that all living things need food to survive. This food is consumed and digested by all living beings. Human beings have a complex system to digest it. It is food only which gives us energy, and we get energy from the nutrients which are present in food. But how do we get nutrition from food? Let us understand it. The food which we eat is first converted into simpler substances. The process in which complex food is broken down into simple, soluble substances so that it can be absorbed easily is known as digestion. Several organs work together to complete the process of digestion. These organs together form the digestive system. Each organ of the digestive system has a specific function to do. Let us learn how all these organs work together and perform the function of digestion. Children, the process of digestion begins in the mouth. The teeth, which are present inside the mouth, help in breaking down and chewing the food. The chewed food then mixes up with a liquid which is called saliva, and the saliva makes the food softer and easier to swallow. Saliva is secreted by three pairs of glands which are called salivary glands. These are located at the bottom and sides of mouth. The tongue helps in the proper mixing of the saliva with the food. Students, before moving further in our topic, let us first recall what we have learned about the digestive system till now. Please observe the diagram carefully showing the digestive system and then answer the given questions. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. Question number 1. Name the organ where the process of digestion begins. Question number 2. What is the function of saliva? Question number 3. How many pairs of salivary glands do we have? And question number 4 is, what is the role of tongue in digestion? So children, let us first check the answers to these questions. Answer number 1 is, process of digestion begins in the mouth. And saliva makes the food softer and easier to swallow. We have 3 pairs of salivary glands, and the tongue, it helps in the proper mixing of the saliva with the food. I hope you all must have written the answers correctly. Let us now continue with our topic and move on to the second organ, that is the food pipe. Now students, from the mouth, the chewed food reaches the stomach through a thin, long tube which is called the food pipe, and also it is known by the name of esophagus. It is 8 to 10 inches long in a grown-up person. Stomach is a hollow, muscular bag-like structure. Inside the stomach, the food is broken down further into smaller pieces by churning. Churning is the strong spinning movement, and with the help of chemicals called the digestive juices. These juices, which are produced in the stomach, they help to break down the proteins in the food. Now, the next organ is the small intestine. From the stomach, the food passes into the small intestine, which is a long and hollow tube-like structure. Children, small intestine is the longest organ of human body and is about 20 feet long. The digestive juices which are present in the intestine, liver, which is the bile juice, and pancreas, which is the pancreatic juice, they help in the digestion of food, the small intestine. After the digestion of food, all the useful nutrients from the digested food get absorbed into the blood. And these nutrients are then taken to different parts of the body by the blood. So, students, the process of digestion gets completed in the small intestine. From the small intestine, the undigested food passes into the large intestine. It is a shorter but wider tube-like structure that collects the food that cannot be digested. And here also, the extra water is absorbed from the undigested food and solid waste called feces gets collected. Coming on to the anus now. Anus is the opening through which solid waste is thrown out of the body. Students, as we know, roughage is that part of our food which our body cannot digest. So food in the large intestine consists mainly of roughage and water. If we are not taking proper roughage in our diet, it may cause constipation and stomachache. So this is all about the digestive system. I hope you all might have gained knowledge about the functions of different organs in our digestive system. Now, the home assignment part. Do worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 given on page number 34 and 36 in your book. And children, please prepare chapter 1 thoroughly for your worksheet 1. Thank you, students.